Thank you for joining me in another episode of the Linux Innovations. In this particular video, we will show you the installation of Ubuntu 20.4 long-term support. The first step will be to click on your virtual machine, click Next for typical install, select our ISO image, select the ISO image and click Open, then click Next. Then we'll fill out our name, our username, and our password entries. And click Next. In this screen, we'll define the virtual machine name, in our case Ubuntu-20.4, and click Next. In this screen, we're giving a brief overview of our virtual disk. In our case, it's a 20 gig disk, and we click Next. Let's customize our hardware. We want 2 gigs of memory and at least 2 virtual CPUs. We click Close, and then we click Finish. Then we proceed to edit the virtual machine settings and remove the stale CD-ROM entry by highlighting it. Click Remove and click OK. After that, we power on the virtual machine. This process can take a couple of minutes since our hardware is getting probed by the operating system itself. In the first screen, we see our language. Let's hit English. Let's click Enter. We validate that this is our language, and we click Done. In this screen, we have the networking configuration. We're not making any changes. Let's hit Done. We're not going to use any proxies in this installation. Let's hit Done. And this is actual mirror that we will be using for the installation. Let's hit Done. In this section is the layout of all this. We're going to make this an LVM group configuration. Select that, click Done. And this is an overview of the changes in the disk, how the operating system will be installed. We'll click Done. And yes, we want to continue. Let's click Continue. Here we type our name, the server name, we pick up our username, and then we define our password. This will be a user account that we'll be creating in this box, in addition to the root user that is defined by default. We type Linux Innovations. And for the password, we type Linux Innovations twice. Then we hit Done. Yes, we want to install our OpenSSH service, so we can have SSH access. Click Done. Here we're not going to make any changes. Hit Done. And for the sake of time, I'm going to expedite the video. Then our installation is complete. We just reboot. Okay, let's type our username and our password. Okay, the string. Then we check the versioning of the Ubuntu server. And then we proceed to shut down the server. This completes the basic installation of a Ubuntu server using release 20.4 long-term support. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.